Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari F8 Tributo versus the Lamborghini Huracan. Let's dive into their core differences. The F8 Tributo packs a powerful 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering 710 horsepower. Meanwhile, the Huracan counters with a glorious 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10, offering around 640 horsepower. Both supercars are incredibly fast, reaching 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, promising exhilarating acceleration. When it comes to driving dynamics, the F8 Tributo focuses on precision and advanced aerodynamics, making it incredibly capable on a track. Its sophisticated systems enhance driver control. The Huracan, however, delivers a more raw and unfiltered experience, often described as a pure mechanical thrill. Its aggressive, angular design is instantly recognizable and truly iconic, reflecting its bold character. The engine sound is a major differentiator. The F8 Tributo's twin-turbo V8 delivers a deep, potent growl characteristic of modern turbocharged performance. In contrast, the Huracan's naturally aspirated V10 screams to high revolutions, producing one of the most exhilarating and pure engine notes available today. Both brands carry immense heritage, with Ferrari's racing pedigree often shaping its engineering philosophy. In terms of practicality, neither car is designed for daily errands, though both offer surprising comfort for their class. They are true weekend warriors or track machines. Pricing for these incredible machines typically starts well above $275,000, reflecting their exclusivity and performance. Ultimately, choosing between them comes down to personal preference. The F8's precision versus the Huracan's raw emotion. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.